Fakhar Zaman is a Pakistani cricketer who plays for the Pakistani national cricket team and for Lahore Qalandars in the Pakistan Super League. On 20th July 2018, he became the first batsman for Pakistan to score a double century in a one-day international match. However, in this video we're going to talk about Fakhar Zaman's luxurious lifestyle, family, education, career, and records. Physical stats, salary, net worth, professional debut, unknown facts, house, biography, and everything. So please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Fakhar Zaman's quick biography. Boy name Fakhar Zaman. Nickname Fauji. Occupation, professional cricketer. Ethnicity, Asian. He is of Pashtun descent. Zodiac signs, Aries. Date of birth, April 10th, 1990. Age, 31 years. Place of birth, Katlang, Mardan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Nationality, Pakistani. Religion, Islam. Education. Fakhar had completed his matriculation at the age of 16, after which he had moved to Pakistan's financial capital, Karachi. There he had completed further schooling and training at sea from the Pakistan Navy School. Salary Rs 1 million per month. Net worth. Fakhar Zaman net worth is estimated at around $5 million. His main source of income is from his career as a cricketer. Fakhar Zaman's family. Details. Father Fakir Gul. Siblings Asif Zaman. Brother. Fakhar Zaman's professional debut. Test debut October 16, 2018 versus Australia at Sheikh Zayed Stadium. ODI debut June 7, 2017 versus South Africa at Edgbaston. T20 debut March 30th, 2017 versus West Indies at Queen's Park Oval.
Fakhar Zaman's physical stats. Body types, athletic. Height, 5 feet 11 or 180.5 centimeters. Weight, 74 kilogram or 163 pounds. Body measurements, chest, 38 inches, waist, 30 inches, biceps, 11 inches. Eye color, dark brown. Hair color, black. Distinctive features, toned physique, short cropped, side parted hair, often sports a light stubble. Fakhar Zaman's career and records. Batting style, left-handed bat. Bowling style, left arm orthodox. Playing role, batsman. Nature on field, calm. Records, main ones, with 297 runs in 5 matches at an average of 59.40. He took the second position in the list of the highest run scorer in Pakistan Cup 2016. This included 2 half-centuries and 1 century. Fakhar scored 650 runs in the Kadi Azam Trophy season 2016, averaging 54.16. While chasing a tricky total of 211 against England in ICC Champions Trophy 2017, Zaman along with Azhar Ali constructed a 118-run partnership. This partnership was incidentally the highest opening stand for Pakistan in the history of Champions Trophy. In 2018, he became the fastest player in ODI cricket to score 1,000 runs in 18 innings. In 2018, he became the first Pakistani batsman to score a double century in an ODI match. Career turning point, he achieved his license to the Pakistan international team after smashing a 33-ball 56 against Karachi in Pakistan Super League in 2016. Fakhar Zaman's unknown facts. Fakhar literally translates to pride in Urdu. In 2007, after completing his training from the Pakistan Navy School, he had joined the Pakistan Navy as a sailor. This was largely a decision forced upon him by his father, who was upset with Fakhar's cricket addiction, and had wished that his son would focus more on academics. In 2012, he had represented the Pakistani Navy in the International Defence Cricket Challenge Cup in Australia, and was adjudged the player of the tournament, after which he began to have second thoughts about his naval career. By 2013, he had left his job and started playing cricket for local and regional teams in Pakistan. His background had earned him the nickname of Fauji Soldier from his cricketing teammates. In 2020, the Pakistani Navy had awarded him an honorary rank of lieutenant in recognition of his contribution to cricket. In July 2018, he had become the first Pakistani batsman to have scored a double hundred in an ODI match. The same month, he had become the then fastest batsman to reach the milestone of 1,000 runs in ODIs. In April 2021, in a match against South Africa, he had scored 193 runs, which had made him the highest individual run scorer while chasing in an ODI match. A rare occurrence in modern cricket, Fakhar has also played domestic cricket outside of his home country, representing Glamorgan County Cricket Club, 2019, in England. In franchise-based T20 leagues, he has turned out for Lahore Qalandars, 2017 to 2021, in the PSL, Pakistan Super League, and Kamila Victorians, 2017, in the BPL, Bangladesh Premier League. Fakhar Zaman's house address. Fakhar Zaman lives in a luxurious house which is located in Katlang, Pakistan. Fakhar Zaman's social media. Facebook. 1.5 million followers plus. Twitter. 801.4k followers plus. Instagram. 315k followers plus.